Welcome everybody to the live video. It's been a while, you guys, since I've been on here. Been going through a lot, you guys, but I do thank you guys for being patient with me, you guys. It's been a good while, and I know that they're still dropping refunds. So for those of you who don't know that they are still dropping refunds, they are and on Wednesdays, and some people, yes, a good many people still have not received a refund. If you have not received your refund, let me know in the chat. Also, I do want to go over the recent winner that I had supposed to went live, but something happened, you guys. My family and I ended up going through a lot. But I do want to congratulate this person, Simply Me Toya. She is the official winner. She did claim the prize on May the 2nd, you guys. I will be mailing her card off tomorrow. So hopefully she'll be getting it early, because I'm gonna make sure that I have a tracking and that she can get it quick. So, okay, congratulations again to Simply Toya, because she was the winner of the gift card. I was supposed to announce this. She had gave me all the information, the detail, the mail, everything to her on that same day. So congratulations to her. So a winner was on May the 2nd, okay? It's Simply Me Toya. So congratulations to her, you guys. Once again, I was glad to give that away, and I'm trying to make sure that she gets it the quickest possible. I've been going through a lot. Glad to be feeling better, you guys. Glad to be feeling better and glad to be on the live. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it down in the chat. Okay? You have any questions, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You guys, I've been also making sure I'm on TikTok. So if you are on TikTok, I'm on there as well, and I'll be helping people with monetization. I know a lot of you are waiting to get your money, but it's a lot of opportunity out there for you to be making money. So I share tips on TikTok, you guys. So if you're on TikTok, you can find me at Dr. Leonard Likely, the same profile pic. Just make sure it's me, you guys. Make sure it's me. You should see it's me. I have my website and everything. That's to know it's me, you guys. That's on there. But I am on TikTok. So for those of you who want to follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok. I will be live today when I get off of here on TikTok. So I'm helping people with monetization to get money, because I know a lot of people that are in bad shape right now. So I make sure I use my platform to help people that need money. And also my group that I have on Facebook that I'm building up. I got two groups, you guys, is We Get Money. You heard the song We Get Money on here. So I have two groups that helping people monetize. So I'm monetized, you guys. So I'm helping people, even though tax season is over with, I'm helping people earn money. So if you're on TikTok, you can follow me at Dr. Leonard Likely. Same profile pic. It has my website, and yes, I'm helping people get to the money even after tax season. If you're just coming on, I was just sharing about Simply Me Toya. She had won the $50 gift card. I both had went live last Wednesday to share all of this, but a lot been happening, you guys, and I'm sorry, but they still been dropping refunds. Let me see what Pod Comedy Cafe. My transcripts haven't updated yet. I did a refund track back in March and have not got any updates. Okay, I'm so sorry about that, but it's a good many people that are in the same situation as you. It's a good many people that still have not received their refund yet. Now, my baby son, he received his state, but he did not receive his federal yet. So it's a good many people, you guys, who still are waiting on refund, and one is being my son. State arrived, but the federal, we haven't seen it yet. And yes, it's still a lot of people that are still getting the 570 code, the whole code, and it still ain't updated on their transcript. So you guys do not feel bad about it. I know you want your money. That's why I'm making sure that I help people that need it. Okay, I'm helping people on my other platforms. I'm using my platforms to help people get money, even if you haven't received your taxes. So this, I'm putting everything on the screen. I have my website. You can find this on my about page on YouTube. I'm putting this up here for those of you after tax season who are needing to get in touch, contact with me. Here's the information. There's my TikTok. There's my Twitter. I'm on LinkedIn. You can see my skills, my accomplishments. I have an MBA, you guys, and I have a business as well. I have more than one business, but I'm also sharing my experience, helping people make money online. Now, you see that profile pic on Facebook. It's a little different because now it's me and my son up there. I have this prom picture on there with me. So if you want to check me out on Facebook, that is me. If you go to Linda A. Likely, and I have my son, he's wearing a blue jacket, and then it's me on the pic. It just updated. But if you want to join me on TikTok, I will be live when I get off of here at 7 p.m. I help people make sure they're growing on Facebook and TikTok so they can start earning money, and even on YouTube, you guys. So, I share more than just trying to help you get the refunds. I share it. Also, you guys, don't forget that I'm also the one who can book for travel, a travel agent. But right now, it's so many people that need help that hadn't received their money. Guys, it's sad. Some people are living in cars. Some people have lost their houses. Some people, it's done got rough. So I made sure that I dedicated my life not with just doing tax preparation, but also helping people. Now, I do tax preparation. And for those of you, I see your comment. For those of you who keep trying to book with me and you're putting everything on my portal, you're not booking an appointment. You have to book an appointment with me. I tell people they'll upload files, but they don't book. You have to give me permission. I need to know, even for a free discovery call, you got to book appointment, okay? You can't just upload files and upload stuff to me. Several people have been doing that, and I have to remove them. You have to book with me, okay? And for the free discovery call. Now, let me see what Pod Company Cafe says. Okay, I see you. My transcripts updated to April the 15th, 2025, and says 766. Okay, some of them codes are just like, earn income tax credit. Different codes show up on your transcript. Now, if you see 570, a whole code, or you see like 810, a freeze code, then that happens. My bank account closed. I'm so sorry. It's a good many people bank account closed. And if your bank account closed, it goes back to the IRS. Okay? It goes to the IRS, you guys. If you are have your bank account on there and then they can't put the money in the bank, it goes back to the IRS, and you have to make sure that you contact the IRS regarding your refund. Those of you who are coming in, you guys, I see your other comments and I'm going to take them, okay? And I hope you get your money soon, Pod Comedy Cafe, but you're not the only one. For those of you who are just coming in, I was just telling everybody that Simply Me Toya won a $50 gift card, you guys, for those of you just coming in on May 2nd. You guys, and congratulations to her. I also had did this live video a week ago, but I've been going through a lot. But I'm on here now, and I'm happy to be on here and happy to help. Now, I also shared a while ago my website. I'm going to be live on TikTok because I'm helping people monetize and make money. A lot of people are in debt. A lot of people don't have money to pay bills and get food. I've been seeing it active. So I'm dedicating my life to help more people, not with just taxes, you guys, but also earning money, to have money flowing in. So if you want to follow me on either of these social media sites, you can. And that Facebook profile that you see that has had a blessed weekend, I have my son in me, so it's updated, okay? But you can see all this information on my about page on YouTube. Okay, let's see what John Green. Hello, John Green. How to fix 570 code. I verified my identity with ID Me with the control number they sent me. Okay, you verified your identity. Did you get you haven't got your money, or you're sharing information, John? How to fix a 570 code. Okay. A lot of people verified identity and they still have 570 code. So to be clear with that, okay? So you can verify identity, but verified identity takes up to 9 weeks. Okay. I know a lot of you is after tax season. It's been more than 9 weeks. Okay. So what most of the time with the IRS are seeing, you have a 971 code saying that they sent you a notice, and they either tell you that they're gonna we're sorry, apologize, or they'll send you something in those words like that. I'm just giving you an example. And they'll tell you 60 days. Some people have 60-day wait, 120 days, 180. And some people receive that CP05 letter that you don't do anything and you just have to wait till the IRS corrects everything on their end. So it's just a waiting process for the IRS to update everything. But there's a good many people that verified identity and they still have not updated yet. Okay, Realist 04. Hello. Got that CP 53 notice about paper check being mailed in 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, called a check on progress and was told I may have to wait, yes, another 120 days for review. It happens. I'm so sorry. It happens. It happened to people last year. And being that the fact that they laid off a lot of the IRS, especially after tax season, it happens. Okay, it happens, and I'm sorry. But for those of you who haven't received it, I know you want your money, you need your money. But for those who are still waiting and it hasn't dated yet, remember you're receiving interest. So many days, you guys, after tax season is over with, you guys, those of you who are been waiting, you're going to get interest. 7%. So that's good that you would get that even though you want your money. Okay. It takes a certain amount of days, you guys, for you to get it, though, to start seeing interest on that return when it get mailed or sent to you. Okay. But don't be discouraged. It's a lot of people, you guys, that in the same boat. It's a good many people that's in the same boat with y'all. So you are not alone. And a lot of people come in on my video talking about what is going on. It's just a waiting process. Everything slows down after tax season. They've been laying off people. So I know nobody wants to hear that, but it's just a waiting process and hoping that you will get updated soon from that 570 code, from that 971. And again, some people getting 60-day waits, 120-day waits, and then it goes on. 180-day wait, and it goes on, because that's why I give live videos all the way from January to December every year. I don't stop, and I do it every year from January, from the beginning of tax season to December. And then even with new information coming to me from the IRS, because we have them different conventions during the summer, I give new information to help you guys. But I pay attention to how and what is going on, and how many people are held. And again, it's a good many people. You can check the groups on Facebook, the large groups. Good many people saying they got the whole code still on their transcript and they're very upset. I get it. And that's why I told you guys I am dedicating to making sure that I am helping people that don't have the money right now and they want their tax refund. A lot of people waiting on to pay bills, okay, to get food on the table because of inflation and everything being high. They need their money. I know you want your money. Okay, so I encourage you guys, if you don't have it, find ways to earn money if you don't have the money. And that's why I be sharing on the on live videos on Facebook in my group. I have a group on Facebook where I have more than one group. I have that Where's My Refund, but I also have how to monetize, you guys, on Facebook. That group has grown. I created in December. Has grown 3,000. We have 3,600 members in that group on Facebook. And I share information to help, and I also earn on Facebook to share people, because some people are making thousands on Facebook. Okay, you guys, if you're not monetizing on Facebook, I know this is about taxes, you guys, but I share helpful advice on here too for those of you who need the money. If you're not putting your Facebook page in professional mode on there, if you're on there, get paid for it. If you own Facebook, put it in professional mode, start getting paid, start earning and posting and getting a part of those programs. People are making thousands on Facebook. Now, I make good on YouTube too, but people are making thousands every month. Okay, I see them on my feed and they're in my groups. They share their earnings. Now, a lot of people wouldn't share, but they share their money. So if you need the money, if you're on Facebook, take advantage. Most of all of these platforms you see, except for my website and my live portal, has monetization. Instagram has monetization. TikTok has monetization. Twitter has monetization now. Also, all of them has monetization. YouTube has monetization. So take your time, you guys, and make sure that you're taking advantage, because people are making thousands. I know you need your money, but that's one way that you won't have to depend so much, you guys. And even some of you are working. When you get off work, listen, this is what a lot of people do. The hustling is on right now. They get off work in the evening, they get on TikTok, because you can get in on programs with 1,000 followers and start earning. And that's why I be teaching on there. And I will be at 7 p.m. So I'm gonna get off of here, and then I gotta pick up my son from senior night because he graduating. But I'm gonna be live talking about that on TikTok tonight, encouraging people to make sure that they're earning on these platforms. Instagram, you can earn. Facebook, again, people are earning thousands. Twitter, they're earning. If you have any more questions, I know I'm talking about monetizing, but if you have any more questions about taxes, let me know. And also, don't forget, you guys, for those of you who may owe your taxes and owe from $2,000 and $3,000, if you're watching the replay, don't forget I have a team. I am partnered with a team of tax specialists that can help you. It takes 2 appointments. You have to book it on my live portal, you guys, and all that information is on YouTube on that about page, on my about page. You'll see all of these links that you see on the screen to be able to follow me on there, okay? All right, you guys, but I know a lot of you are tired. I know you're ready to get your money, and I know you need to pay bills. I get it. And know that you're not the only one. And I pray, if there are not any more questions, you guys, I'm gonna make sure that I come back on here. I'm gonna try to make sure I come back on here Monday, because I do want to share more information. I like to screen share. I don't just like to go in here and talk, but I've been off of here for a while. So when I come back on here Monday, I'm going to be sharing some updates with you regarding the IRS and ways to help you guys. And don't forget, you guys, to check out the playlist if you're needing help with contacting your congressman. If they have any more of those taxpayer centers open nearest you guys, make sure you're visiting them. If you have to, make sure that you contact also the taxpayer advocate. You guys, do things that'll help you guys, and hopefully you will get your refund soon. All right, I will be live back on here Monday, if the Lord said the same, and I'll be screen sharing and sharing information regarding the IRS and tax refund to get y'all updated. And again, before I get off, they usually update, it usually be whatever the IRS date that they give you, but we see the updates mostly be on Wednesdays. And people are getting mostly paper check. Listen, before I go off, people are telling me they have the bank accounts and their bank account is not closed. Pod Comedy Cafe said his bank account was closed, but some people's bank account is not closed and they're getting paper check. That may happen to you as well. So make sure you're checking your mail to make sure that they're not mailing you a refund. Okay? All right. So I just want to remind you that. I hope y'all have a great day. If you have any more questions, all you have to do is drop it in the comments in this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Simply me, Toya. Everything will be mailed out, and hopefully you'll be getting it I'm hoping by Monday. Okay? I'm hoping you'll get yours by Monday in the mail where you stay at. Okay? All right, y'all have a great day and be blessed.